Hi guys, and welcome back to Rice Anime. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of, believe it or not, another bunny. And you guys won't believe which one it is. There she is. It is the 1/4 scale bunny of Erza Scarlet from Fairy Tail. I had to move my little table over to even fit the box on the screen. It is so massive. Alright, I'll go ahead and let you guys take a look at the box here. I actually still wish Freeing did the windows on the boxes. I think it looks pretty nice being able to actually look in and take a peek at the figure, you know, before you get it all unboxed. Top for you guys. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get her unboxed. Okay, so the tape is already cut on her because I bought her pre-owned off of eBay. I actually got her from the seller I got the Taiga bunny from because I was so impressed with how well taken care of she was that I went ahead and got their other bunny for sale as well. Gotta be very careful. Okay, so the little base piece is just taped onto the bottom there. Oh my gosh, this is making me so nervous. Okay, I definitely want to get this base out as soon as I can. Okay. And it's just a plain white disc. Alright, let's go ahead and get the blister opened up. Perfect. Wow. There, she had a little something on the back of her hair. I was afraid there was like a scratch or something, but I think we're good. Look at that. Absolutely awesome. I can't believe that I have finally gotten the original fishnet Erza bunny. Can't believe it. Never did I think I would be able to get this one. Alright, let's move this stuff to the side here. Show her to you guys again, a little bit closer there. Hopefully that's focusing on her a little bit. There you go. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get her on her base. Hopefully she's pretty straightforward here. Alright, so I got her on her base here, and I'm just blown away again. She is very beautiful. I love, you know, they did a really nice shading on her hair. I love the, like the color of the bunny suit. Like, it doesn't just look like a flat black. There's like some definition to it. Looks so good. And I'm gonna get in a little closer for you guys so you can get some better views of her. All right, so here she is. She is amazing. Definitely the tallest figure I have now. Her hair looks very nice. The sculpt and everything. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about the hair before I got her, because like along the bottom here, like her bottom strands and everything, she has some really good details and sculpt there, but it's like around up here it's pretty flat, but I don't think that bothers me at all. Do you guys prefer it more where they had the bunny ears already attached to the figure, or do you like it better that they're detached? I do see one of her bunny ears has a scuff on it, a little white spot. So that's a little disappointing. And I don't know if this is like a little quality control issue she has on her hair there, but there's a very little, like, little scuff. Alright, so here's her face closer up. They did a really good job on her face, I think. I feel like there's quite a few Erza figures where the face is kind of not perfect, but yeah, Freeing really did a good job. Now we have her suit. You see what I mean? How it's not like just a plain black paint. It's almost has like a smoky look to it. Oh, and you can see her fairy tale symbol on her arm there. Yeah, super nice. And of course, we can't forget the fishnets. Do you guys like her bare leg more, or do you prefer the fishnets as well? I thought I would just compromise and get the bare leg, but I don't know. Like, I thought she still looked good, but I just always preferred the fishnets more. Alright, now I'll show you guys here. You can see on the very end of her right ear there, it's having a hard time focusing right there. See that white spot? So that's pretty unfortunate. But, you know, if you're just looking at her like this, you can't notice it. So, just a small gripe I have. And spin her around for you. See if I can show you guys that other little quality control spot on her hair. Yep, right there. But it's just an itty bitty spot there, and it's on the back of her hair, so not a big deal. And show her all together. Amazing bunny. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing of the elusive Erza Scarlet bunny. And as usual, I'll leave a little bit of b-roll at the end of the video so you guys can take a peek at her, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.